look at these views. It is so nice. This is why this room is the crown jewel of the property. Buenos dias from SLS Playa Mujeres. Everybody wants to know, is the elite room worth it at SLS Playa Mujeres? I'm going to show you the elite rooftop ocean view king, and you can decide for yourself. I'm Carly. I've worked at Travelingos for a little over 2 years. We're a Cancun-based travel agency, and every couple weeks we go to a new resort to show our clients exactly what they're booking. I can't wait to share this one with you. We have a standard bathroom, and it does have a separate toilet and shower area. I really love the duck detail, the SLL duck detail. I think that's so cute on the robes and the towel. They also have a bag for the elite guests to use while you're here at the property. This is the king room, has a king bed and a double sleeper sofa that they'll make out for you, a little seating area, and then a mini fridge here. Very standard. They refill this every day, soda, beer, and water. The reason everybody books this room is for the view and for the rooftop. A little seating area out here as well. And then for our families with little kids, they do have a baby gate on the bottom of the stairs. So with this SLS Elite room, it includes a butler. So one of the things your butler can do is fill up your private hot tub for you while you're at dinner. Also has an outdoor shower, and then a really large seating area towards the back. But look at these views. It is so nice. And this is why this room is the crown jewel of the property. A lot of our clients always ask, is the elite worth it? Is the upgrade worth it? And that really just depends on how you like to travel. If you don't like to fight for the beach chairs, the elite status guests get a separate area on the beach and you don't have to fight. Your butler can make dinner reservations for you, which we've heard from some people can be a little difficult to get. Also, you get free hydrotherapy session and in the spa. A big draw for a lot of our clients is the upgraded liquor, is brands like Tito's and Patron. So is it worth it for you? You can decide.